What's that like?
My name is Alex, and the reason why I wanted to take Hmong class was because I know a little bit, read a little bit, but I just want to understand Dutki, because there's different Dutki Wichita, so it's hard to write and understand how to say it. So that's why I'm here.
All right, good. So you just have some difficulty with the tone marker. Is that what you're saying, right?
That's correct.
Okay, thank you. And Goli, are you there? Hi, hey, Goli. Yes. Good. Good. Right. Yeah, we're gonna discuss about later maybe some kind of question about a discussion about among us how does it help yourself and other people. Okay. So let's see. Thank you, Goli, and Linda. Are you there? Hi, Linda.
Oh, can you hear us?
Yeah, I do now.
Oh.
Yeah, thank you.
Mua tu
Hi.
Linda.
Me and my daughter, my youngest.
Oh, good, good.
We
Well,
both learn Hmong.
yeah, that's good. Okay, so can
Yep.
tell a bit about yourself. What kind of how do you interest in learning Hmong?
Yep, so when I was growing up, I went to Hmong school every Saturday.
Mhm.
And so I have 4 kids. But my youngest here, we're trying to kind of change that. And so we've been teaching her a little Hmong at home, but I want her to be able to kind of learn more. So thank you for offering this class.
Okay, I'm not. I don't know how much I will help. The little kids here, but I will try. Okay, because this kind of like classes I like to introduce to people who already know speaking Hmong like that too, but at the same time they have to know the alphabet. So we'll help each other. Okay, thank you, Linda.
Thank you.
Okay, Maikia, are you here? Hello, Maikia. Hello? Hey, Maikia, are you there? Hey, Maikia? Oh, probably she stepped away. Okay, May. See, May, are you there? Hello, Timay? Okay, let's see. Is